Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tierra and I'm here to do a review of this baby right here. I saw a lot of reviews on the Revlon hair dryer brush, but when I went to Target and Sally's and Walmart, I couldn't find it. It wasn't there, so I ended up going to Sally's and they had this one. It is a little more expensive. A lot more expensive, like $30 more than the one, or $20 more than the one from Target, but I needed it before my trip, so I was like, whatever, we just gonna go with this one. So when I was in Sally's, I was actually looking for reviews on this hair dryer before I bought it, because I didn't want to buy it without, you know, knowing if this one worked like the Revlon one. But there were no reviews on this hair dryer, so I was like, you know what, like, I'm gonna go ahead and do a review because I know I'm not the only one who's been having a hard time finding the Revlon one. So let's go ahead and get started. I washed my hair and I'm gonna put in the It's a 10 as a leave-in. I'm using the Tresemme, what is this? Tresemme Thermal Creations as a heat protectant, even though this protects from heat too. Still going in with this. And I have the Kenra blow dry spray. Now a lot of people say that this type of blow dryer a lot of people say that this type of blow dryer dries your hair quicker than a regular blow dryer. So we're gonna see, we're gonna time it or whatever, because it takes me forever, like an hour or more, to blow dry my hair. So let's see. Let's go ahead and get started. And this section of my hair has already started air drying because I've had it down for a little while I was getting everything together. So yeah. So that is in. We're gonna work on one side first. Let's start with this side. So I'm just gonna clip this. Comb that out so we're not snatching out my hair with this brush. Y'all see it getting poofy because, like I said, it had already started drying a little. So I just basically comb the curls out. So this is a box that it comes in. We're gonna open it up. It says that this is 1100 watts. And it has a rotating temperature control with 3 heat settings. Okay, so this is what this one looks like. This, okay, the cord swivels, so no issue there. And then you can do off, well done. You can do cool, low, or high heat. I probably just go in with the high heat. Oh, some of my bristles are bent. I don't know how that happened. That's a little annoying though. Yeah, some of my bristles are bent, so it better not be like snagging my hair, because that's annoying. But yeah, we're gonna use it. So let me open this up and get it plugged up really quickly. It doesn't feel like much heat is coming out, so it feels like the heat is coming from like the top of the brush more so than the bottom of the brush. Like up here, I don't feel any heat there. Okay, so this is the first section. I still haven't got my roots really good yet because of these. I can't really get to my roots the way I want to because I don't have my hair parted perfectly. So this is the first side. I do think that it gets hotter as you have it on longer. So this is the first side. So this is dry. I'm about to dry this side. Nail. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the camera spray because that took about 5 minutes to do this section. But I'm impatient, and I have how many more sides to go? 1, 2. I have 4 more sections after this one to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that spray. Oh, I already sprayed with this. Oops. Oh well. Alright, that's the back, y'all. My hair is pretty puffy, in my opinion. I can't say. I think my hair is like a little straighter than this when I do it with my yellow bird. But, oh no. I don't know. I haven't gotten to my roots yet still because, like I said, I have several sections here and I did not part correctly or perfectly. So, if you want to get the get your roots like while you're on that section, like I'm gonna go back in the end and get my roots. If you want to get your roots while you're already on that section, then you can make sure that you part your hair perfectly so you're not like snagging from the other section like I am. So I'm gonna put this section up, twist this up, and clip it away. Okay, then we're going to go to the next section, just here. I'm about to run out of space. Alright, so I just finished blow drying my hair with the brush. How do I feel? So for this to have like 3 settings, cool, low, and high, I don't feel like it gets as hot as I would like it to, but then I also understand this is like direct heat kinda. It's not like the comb is different because I'm actually able to brush my scalp with it. So I do like that I am able to brush my scalp with it. So I do feel like this did not get my roots as dry as I would like them. So couple of tips. Couple of tips. Make sure that you detangle your hair very well because you do not want to rip your hair out with this brush. So I use a wide tooth comb while detangling my hair. And I honestly think that I'm about to go in with my yellow bird because like I said, I don't feel like my roots are dry and I want my hair to be like all the way dry. The process of drying my hair was quicker, but I don't know if it was because I was using the brush or because I detangled my hair really well this time because I did do 6 sections instead of 4. So I guess the big question is, was the Hot Tools or Hot Shot Tools blow dryer worth $60? Is it worth the hype? I cannot speak for Revlon because I didn't try Revlon's, but I do not think this was worth $60. If it was $30, I'd be like, okay, it was $30, but this was $60. So I think I may return it because they said I could return it if I didn't like it. And like I said, I just don't like, I feel like my roots are still damp and I don't know, like I honestly don't know if my hair is straighter when I blow dry with the yellow bird. So I'm gonna go back and look at my straightening video, like when I straighten my hair, and I also put it in the description box so you guys can look at it and compare because I usually use my yellow bird, but this time, you know, I used a brush. Okay, y'all, the yellow bird definitely gets hotter. Like, I feel like my roots are dry now. Like, I feel, yes. So you could just see the 2 different sides. I use a comb on mine, so I never went in with paddle brushes. I always like stuck to the comb. So I would say this, I know some people, they don't know how to maneuver their wrists and stuff to use this. If you're a person that struggles using this type of dryer, by all means get the brush because it is easy to maneuver because everybody knows how to use a brush. But this, I was correct. Like, I know that this gets my hair straighter than the brush. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up with this. That is my review, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe for more. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.